Hi, are you ready for math? Today is game day, but first we are going to work a little bit with our 100 chart. So do you have your 100 chart ready? I hope so. We are right here. Let's count by twos first. Ready? The red numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. One more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We're going to play a different little number game today, and I am going to say a number, and then I want you to point to it on your chart before I point to it on mine, okay? So I'll say your turn, and then it's my turn, okay? So how about 7? Your turn. My turn. I found the 7. Did you find the 7? Mm-hmm. Okay, how about 15? Your turn. My turn. Right there. If I am not giving you enough time, please pause the video and then find that number. Okay? So let's look for 29. Where's 29? Point to it with your finger, and now it is my turn. 29 over here. You can play this game with your family, and you could say a number and have them find it, or they could have a number and you can find it. So try that sometime. And then it's almost time to play the game we're going to play. Do you remember in school when we played the game War? Where you use the cards, and the ace is a 1, right? So let me see if I can find an ace in my cards. Yep. So an ace is a 1, and there are 4 different kinds of cards, right? This one is a spade, and then there are also hearts, and this is a king, and a king is on the top. The king always wins. And these are diamonds, and here are clubs. And so clubs and spades are black, and hearts and diamonds are red. And the king always wins. That's the top card. And then the queen is next. Jack is after that. And then they go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then the 1 is the ace. Okay? So we are going to play War. And I am going to have my husband play with me. Can you everybody say hi to Mr. Epley? You have to sit down first so they can see you. There you go. So he's here. We're going to play this game. And what you do is you shuffle cards and then you deal. And I dealt most of them out already. So we still need a few more. And so now, if you have more than 2 people playing, it's okay. You just deal the cards to more people, okay? And usually the person on the left of the dealer is the one who starts. And when there's only 2, we just play. So we're going to do a little bit, and then you'll get to play it with your family. Okay. We each put out a card. Do you notice I have the Jack, and he had an 8? So I get the cards this time. Okay. Ooh, he had a king this time. So he took them all, and he was so excited, he got one on the floor. Okay. I had a 5. Ooh, he has a 9, so he wins. Yes. Oh, I have an ace. He'll probably win this time. An 8. Do you think we'll ever get a war? Remember, when there's 2 cards that are the same, you get a war. I get this one because it was a 4 and a 5. Or a 4 and a 1. So I got it because I had the 4. Maybe we'll get a war pretty soon. Ooh, I got that with a 10. And he gets that with a Jack. Ooh, he got a Jack. And I get the 9. Ooh, we got a war. Check this out. We both have 2s. Not that they're worth a lot. But anyway, now we put 2 upside down. And then you turn the 3rd one up. And he's probably going to get it because I only have a 3. But he had a Jack. So he gets all these cards. So let's tip him all over. He gets all those cards. He even got a queen of mine. Oh, he might win. And the game keeps going like that. Ooh, I got his queen though. Only an ace that time. We just traded aces. Ooh, we have a 6. 2 6s. We do a war. And, ooh, I get him this time because I have a 9. And he only had a 6. We only have a few cards left. Ooh, we got another war. We must have a funny deck because he has an extra card. Who knows? Okay, so he got a 3, I had a 2. He gets my king. So now when you get down to the end, you take your cards that you won and then you turn them over and you start again. And
or they can count them if they want to play one round, and who has the most cards wins after one round.
He has a new way to play. So if you want a shorter game, then you can just see who wins after that. Usually at school, we only play with each person having one suit. So we're going to count to see who wins. I think he wants to win. Let's see.
$30.
I only have 20.
Oh,
that means we're missing a card.
31.
That means we're missing a card. Well, that's what happens when I play cards with my cards at home. Anyway, hope you have fun playing War today, and you can play as many times as you want. Say goodbye to Mr. Epley. He left. He is ready to go. Take care. Bye.